Today on Outdoor Handyman Adventures, I'm going to be showing you how to put on what they call a poor man's power steering kit for your riding lawnmower. I'm going to be showing you how to take the wheel off. I'm going to be pulling out the bushings that are in this wheel and putting in bearings, and also I'm going to put thrust needle bearings in the steering under here. So let me show you, turn the wheel so I can show you how to remove your wheel off your mower to get started. I use this tool here. It gets under the plastic cap right here. Just hook it under your plastic cap gently. And I'm also going to be installing new caps too. I actually got some new rubber caps. Just pull it off just like that. And just lay the cap to the side. E-clip, we just slide our E-clip off. There we go. Remove the washer and remove the wheel, just like that. I didn't take the tag off from when I mounted the tires. Let me lay this over here. And now I'm going to go ahead, remove this piece. When I get the E-clip out at the top up here, I may be able to get that washer out of there. So there should be another washer up in here. So we slide this in our slot, turn it, and that comes right off. Turn it around here where I can grab it, and then we got a washer here. Now we just need to knock this down or push it down. Let's see here. There we go. That washer is just greased in there, so that washer, maybe that grease will hold the washer in there. Okay, we got this loose. I noticed I don't have any flat washers or anything here, so let's clean that off with a wire brush. Take a flat washer, slide our flat washer over that. We're going to use 2 flat washers. Lay that one up there. These is our needle thrust bearing here, how thin this is. But it's got these little roller bearings in here, real thin. Get you some grease. And we want to make sure we get the grease in our bearings really good. Grease in there real good. Yep. All right, and that just slides right over onto there. Yeah, I'll leave my washer up there. Then we take the other flat washer and slide it right over there. Take a little bit of grease I'm going to rub it on this shaft right here. And that'll help it go back up in there. All right. Slide that up there. Now we need to put our, well, let me clean the top of that off. There we go. Let's see here. All right. Make sure our needle bearings are all sitting right there. As it should be. Got a little burr right there. I have to smooth these little places out right there because it definitely does not want to work. Yep, we can smooth these out. Oops, I don't want to lose my bearings. Slide them back on there. Okay. Move this out of the way because I'm going to smooth these down. You just want to file where this seam is right here that goes up. Seam right here. We want to make sure we get that seam smoothed off. I previously done the other side and I didn't have an issue at all. It was completely smooth on the other side. For some reason this side wasn't smooth. Now I'm going to take the air blower and I'm going to blow through this and clean all the metal shavings out of there. All right, I got this blowed out real good here. So there's no metal shavings. A little bit of grease in there. And I'm going to wipe it out with a rag. So just to make sure I don't have any metal shavings in there or anything that's going to get into anything or mess anything up. I will be re-greasing it through the grease fitting once I'm completely finished. All right, that ought to do it. Looks good. All right, now we're ready to put it all back together. That looks good right there. Yep. Oh, wow. You put a new washer on there. Now I'm going to show you how to install these bearings in this wheel, and we'll be taking out these metal bushings. First, we need a hammer and a chisel. We'll slide it through here. And just like that, your bearing comes out. Slide it to the side, and we'll knock out the other one. Okay, that one's out. And we have this one out. Alright, we're going to wipe that off right there. Come over here, we're going to wipe this side off as well. Alright. Get your bearings started. I always take the end of my hammer here, the bottom part of my hammer handle, and just and that should fit, knock it flush until you get it flush all the way around. Flush all the way around. Push it in, get it started. And do it again on this side. Till it hits solid. Looks good. Bearing turns good. And spinning real good. Now all we got to do is put it back on the mower. And it comes with these new dust caps, which is good. These are a lot more flexible than the old ones. And it's going to look a lot nicer. So now, let's get this put back on the mower. I like to take some grease, rub it on this shaft here, make it a whole lot easier to slide the bearings over it. Wipe my hands off. Ow. There we go. Oh, I got a sore wrist. I got to be careful with that wrist. Whew. Goes there. We go. All right, that's on there good. Yep. Wheel ain't going nowhere. There it will. Woo! Yes, I like it. Looks like my deck belt fell off. That ain't good. I have a new deck belt. I'll be replacing it. And I have another drive belt, which I'll be replacing that between now and next grass cutting season. Got our new cap here we're going to put on. Slide this up, and then you just open it and try to get it at a slant. And this one pushes right on real easy, real soft and easy to go right on there. And that's all you got to do to put on a poor man's, as they call it, a poor man's power steering. So with the thrust bearings in there and the new wheel bearings in here, this lawnmower should perform a whole lot better. But hopefully this helps you with working on your lawnmower, making it steer easy and roll a lot easier. And comment, share my videos if you know anybody that needs to do anything like this. You have any ideas on anything that you would like to see in the future, let me know in the comments. If I don't get back to you quickly, just be patient and I will get your comment. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, give me a thumbs up. And like always, thanks for watching Outdoor Handyman Adventures.